Good afternoon guys. Nagsiset up tayo ngayon ng DE filter ng Emox. Emox brand IDE filter. So ayan, siniset up natin ngayon dito. Tapos ito yung pump ng Emox. Yan, Super Power SPH 3 HP. 3 HP. So ayan yung kapartner niya. Ayan. Ito naman yung swimming pool niya. Bali nilatagan namin kanina na piping. Ayan. Ayan. Yun. Ayan yung swimming pool niya. So mahaba yung yung tinakbo niya mula dito. Gandun na medyo malaki yung horsepower ng pump natin. Then IDE filter tayo ng Emox brand. So sa lahat ng magpapagawa ng swimming pool, message lang po dito sa video na to. By the way, this is Randy from Dr. Swimming Pool Construction Services. God bless and have a nice day. Thank you very much.